Welcome back to Boats Yacht, where we dive deep into the world of timeless craftsmanship and nautical elegance. Today, we're exploring one of the most admired vessels ever to grace the open sea, the classic wooden motor sailor, a true masterpiece of traditional design and modern functionality. This Ketch-Rigged beauty captures the essence of what sailing used to be and what it can still represent today: freedom, craftsmanship, and connection with the water. Let's start by setting the scene. Imagine standing on the dock early in the morning, the light catching the polished teak as the classic wooden motor sailor sways gently with the tide. You can smell the salt in the air, hear the soft creak of the rigging, and feel that this yacht is alive with heritage. It's not just a boat, it's a story built from timber, brass, and wind. Every detail tells you that this is a vessel built with care, for people who truly understand the art of sailing.
Now, let's talk about what makes this yacht so distinct, its key features. The classic wooden motor sailor, typically ketch-rigged, means it carries two masts, a mainmast and a smaller mizzen mast aft of the mainmast. This configuration gives sailors flexibility and balance, making the yacht stable even in challenging conditions. It's a design loved by long-distance cruisers because it allows easy sail management, especially for those sailing short-handed. The sails can be adjusted to match wind strength and direction without demanding heavy labor, a feature that's as practical as it is elegant. The hull of the classic wooden motor sailor is usually built from mahogany or oak, meticulously shaped and varnished to a glass-like finish.
You'll often see a white hull accented by a red or blue waterline, paired with a deck of rich, golden teak. The tactile warmth of wood under your feet, especially compared to the cold of fiberglass, gives a sense of connection to the vessel that modern yachts often lack. Despite its traditional appearance, the craftsmanship incorporates modern sealing methods and marine-grade varnishes to ensure durability and resistance to saltwater and weather exposure.
From a design perspective, this yacht strikes a harmonious balance between sailing capability and powered performance.
It's called a motor sailor for a reason. It combines the best of both worlds. Under sail, it glides gracefully with minimal noise, capturing wind power efficiently through its ketch rig. Under engine power, it performs like a compact trawler yacht, moving steadily through calm or choppy seas with excellent fuel efficiency. This dual capability makes it perfect for long voyages where conditions change frequently and where you might want to switch between silent sailing and dependable motoring. When you step aboard, one of the first things you'll notice is how space is used thoughtfully. On deck, wide teak walkways allow easy movement from bow to stern. The cockpit area, typically protected by a wooden coaming and sometimes a canvas bimini, serves as the command center. The classic wooden wheel, brass compass housing, and polished stainless steel throttle levers blend nostalgia with functionality. Every line and cleat is positioned with purpose, reflecting the era when boats were designed for practical seafaring, not just show.
Let's move inside. The interior of a classic wooden motor sailor is where charm meets comfort. Once you descend through the companionway, you're surrounded by the soft glow of varnished wood panels and the cozy atmosphere of a true maritime home. The saloon usually features a U-shaped seating area with a folding wooden table, ideal for dining or chart plotting. Large portholes and skylights bring in natural light, making the cabin feel warm and inviting even on cloudy days. Brass accents, hand-polished joinery, and subtle nautical decor give it an old-world yacht feel without feeling dated.
The galley, or kitchen area, is compact yet efficient. Expect a small stainless sink, a two-burner marine stove, and neatly arranged cupboards that lock securely for sailing. The attention to detail here is remarkable. Everything has its place, built with the awareness that space is precious and motion is constant. Even the utensils and dish racks are designed with sea travel in mind.
The sleeping quarters, often a forward V-berth or an aft cabin depending on layout, maintain that same charm.
Soft lighting, neatly stitched upholstery, and the gentle creak of wooden beams overhead create an atmosphere of calm. It's a space that invites you to unwind after a long day of sailing. Some models include a guest cabin with twin berths, ideal for friends or family, and a compact bathroom or head, fitted with marine-grade fixtures, a shower hose, and a porthole for ventilation. The simplicity of the design hides the clever engineering behind every curve and surface.
Now, let's talk performance. One of the biggest appeals of a motor sailor is versatility.
With the ketch-rigged configuration, the sail plan can be fine-tuned for various conditions: more sail area when the wind is light, less when the sea turns rough. This makes for a stable and comfortable ride. Under power, the yacht usually carries an inboard diesel engine, reliable, quiet, and fuel-efficient, capable of maintaining steady cruising speeds around 7 to 9 knots. That's not racing speed, but it's the perfect pace for long-distance cruising where comfort and endurance matter most.
The combination of wind power and diesel propulsion allows extended range and independence from marinas or refueling points.
For many owners, that's part of the magic, the freedom to set course for a distant island, knowing the yacht can handle both calm seas and headwinds. Its deep keel and strong displacement hull design give it excellent stability and directional control, even when the weather turns unpredictable. While not built for speed records, the classic wooden motor sailor excels in seaworthiness, safety, and reliability, qualities that matter most for blue water adventurers. When it comes to handling, you'll find that the yacht responds with grace. The helm feels steady and predictable, offering that reassuring feedback only a well-balanced displacement hull can provide. Because of the dual masts and manageable sail plan, the crew workload stays light, even a small crew or couple can operate it comfortably. That ease of control, combined with the steady motion through the waves, makes every passage more enjoyable and less fatiguing.
So what makes the classic wooden motor sailor truly special? Its unique selling point lies in the harmony between tradition and practicality.
It's a yacht that doesn't rush, it invites you to slow down, to appreciate the journey rather than just the destination. While modern yachts often focus on speed and minimalism, this vessel celebrates craftsmanship, authenticity, and the sensory experience of sailing. The smell of varnished wood, the feel of brass under your fingers, the sound of wind in the rigging, these are the things that define the classic wooden motor sailor experience. From a collector's perspective, these yachts hold their value not just financially but emotionally. Each one is unique, often handcrafted and lovingly maintained. They stand as floating works of art, representing a time when boats were built by artisans, not factories. Owning one is like owning a piece of maritime history that still performs beautifully today. For new enthusiasts, the classic wooden motor sailor offers a fantastic introduction to traditional yachting without sacrificing modern reliability. And for seasoned sailors, it's a chance to reconnect with the timeless beauty of wooden craftsmanship. Whether you're planning leisurely coastal trips or long offshore passages, this yacht adapts with grace and strength.
So if you're drawn to elegance, heritage, and the soul of the sea, the classic wooden motor sailor might just be the vessel that speaks to you. It's not about getting somewhere fast. It's about savoring every moment of the voyage, surrounded by wood, wind, and water.
Thanks for joining me today on Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of classic motor sailors, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stories of craftsmanship, adventure, and the beauty of life at sea. Until next time, keep your sails trimmed, your decks shining, and your spirits set for open waters.